Hello, welcome to the Lo Scarabeo channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, we will do a spirit reading with you. So let's get started. Card number 1 is the Eight of Pentacles reversed. This is the Sun in Virgo. The energy of Virgo is dedicated, resourceful, helpful, hardworking, health conscious, analytical, and practical. However, in the reverse position, it suggests that you may be feeling a lack of motivation or direction in your life. It seems that you might be struggling to find fulfillment and purpose in your work or daily routine. This card indicates that your spirit guides are urging you to take a step back and reassess your goals and priorities. They're encouraging you to make a sense of passion and purpose in your actions and to focus on the areas of your life that truly bring you joy and satisfaction. Card number 2 is the Queen of Cups upright. The Suit of Cups is associated with emotions, intuition, love, and feelings. This card represents a compassionate and intuitive energy or individual who is deeply connected to their emotions and spiritual guidance. This card signifies that your spirit guides are offering you their unconditional love and support during this time. They're encouraging you to tap into your own intuition and emotions as they hold valuable insights and guidance for your journey. By embracing your inner wisdom and trusting your instincts, you'll be able to navigate any challenges that come your way with grace and compassion. Card number 3 is the Page of Wands upright. It signifies a burst of creative energy and a newfound sense of enthusiasm. This card suggests that your spirit guides are guiding you towards exploring new opportunities and taking a bold and inspired action. They are encouraging you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace your passions and interests with all your heart. This card also indicates that you might receive exciting news or opportunities that will ignite your passion and drive. Your spirit guides are reminding you to stay open-minded and embrace the adventure that lies ahead. So, in summary, your spirit guides are reminding you and giving you support to find passion and purpose in your actions, to tap into your intuition and emotions for guidance, and embrace new opportunities with enthusiasm. To connect with your spirit guides and receive support, take some time to reflect on your goals and priorities, and make sure they align with your true passions and values. Trust your intuition and emotions because they hold valuable insights to your journey. Embrace new opportunities and take inspired action. Your spirit guides are supporting you every step of the way. I hope this reading resonates with you, and if not, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.